Hi everyone, I got a new wireless security camera for you. Great features on this camera and a good price. So let's get to the unboxing and the review. Hi everyone, Captain Mark Reviews. Today I have a review on the Heinvision Smart Wi-Fi security camera with dual lens. So let's go around the box, see what it says. Okay, some of the key features this smart camera has is dual lens and double views, smart motion and sound detection, I like that, floodlights and siren warnings, it has optical and digital zoom, handy two-way audio, advanced night vision, its waterproof rating to IP66, local and cloud storage supported, and it has video recording with playback and also sharing. Okay, so let's open the box, see what we have inside. Okay, first thing I see is a greeting card by Heinvision. And next we have the user manual, and I'm sure I'll be going through this, checking out all the features and quickly set it up. Okay, let's pull everything out of the box. Let's grab the camera first. This is a smaller pack box here, and set it off the side. We got a screwdriver with this. Okay, nice heavy duty one there. And we'll grab, looks like the accessories box out, and we'll start with that. Open it up, see what I have inside. And we have the power cord. This camera, you need to have a power source for it. It is Wi-Fi, but you must plug it into a receptacle. And what else do we have in here? Okay, we have our CAD5 cable in case you want to connect it directly to your hardwired system. And last but not least is our anchor set. Okay, next I'm going to give you the measurements of the camera and the weight of the camera here. And as you can see here, it is 6.5 inches deep and it is 6 inches high. And taking our weight measurement here, we see it is 0.998 ounces. So not too heavy at all. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is plug in the camera and let it go through all its diagnostics and get it calibrated. Okay, and then you need to install the HiemVision app on your cell phone or tablet, whichever you prefer. Next, you need to create an account, yourself a password, and we'll be ready to install the camera on the Wi-Fi.
Please configure camera by AP hotspot.
And we're going to do the hotspot method. Click in here, it says go to settings. And we go to the Wi-Fi settings. We search for the HiemVision Wi-Fi. Click on that. We're logged on to the Wi-Fi. We go back into the app. Go here. It wants to find the Wi-Fi that you want the camera to connect to. So give it a second. And we allow it to connect.
Please wait for Wi-Fi connecting.
It shouldn't take too long now. It's connecting to the Wi-Fi.
Please wait for internet connecting.
We're connecting to my Wi-Fi.
Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera.
And here we go. It's all set. It's all connected up. All right, and next we're going to take it outside, install it where I want to monitor an area, and get some reviews from the camera. Okay, I'd like to start out showing you how it looks on a tablet. First thing we'll do is our manual adjustment, and you can see how it moves around very easily, very fast, very little lag at all in that, so that's very nice. So we have is a zoom feature. It's a nice button. You click on there, and it'll zoom in one-time power. And the next thing you can do is make a photocopy of the live feed that you're viewing. There's also the full screen mode that you can use on your phone or tablet. There's a button you can push to do two-way audio, and it works very well, very clear. And if you like, you can turn on the floodlights or make it color in the night mode, very easy by clicking the button. You can do video recording off the live feed too, so this is a nice option. Here we have night vision. You can see it's on my phone. It's very clear, almost like daylight. And here's the last example I'm giving you of color night vision on my phone in the wide view mode. So that's my review on the Heinvision PT security camera for the outdoors. This thing comes with two built-in Ultra HD dual lenses, really nice feature, a pan and tilt 12 power zoom. In the app, you push a button and zooms in automatically for you. I love that feature. 360-degree viewing. It also has Wi-Fi camera with built-in floodlights. They're so bright they lit up my walkway in the morning, so I really like that feature. Also, you can turn on a button and make the warning lights go on. They're a blue and red color flashing thing, kind of scare people away. I like that. It also has color night vision, two-way audio, motion detection, audio detection, and it's waterproof. A lot of things packed in this camera for a great price. You can pick it up on Amazon for $59.99, and I'll leave that link down below for easy access. This camera did everything it said it was going to do and more, and those are the products I want to bring to you. So I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review. And if you think this information was useful in helping you purchase this item or any of the other items on my channel, why don't you give me a big thumbs up? And don't forget, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below and the bell to my left, the bell to your right to catch all my upcoming videos. And there's a lot more coming. So thank you for always watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one. And here's the last example I'm giving you of color night vision on my phone in the wide view mode.